My grandson chose electricity fits all the lights. Just like cold sandwich for lunch. Him keep back over in the car. Just make me laugh. Josh, today I make you a nice lunch.
Oh yeah? What is it?
Eggplant panini.
All right, let's go.
Come on. Cut the melanzana. Yeah.
Who taught you how to make eggplant schnitzel?
Oh, what is what my Nanna?
Oh yeah? Now my Nana teaches me.
The one is too thick. What's your finger?
Now what do we do?
Make it about flour, corn flour, salt, water, 2, 3.
But you have to make this batter to make the breadcrumbs stick.
Yes. You need to put in the flour, the mix,
Yeah.
and after the breadcrumb.
Yeah.
Enough. You know this trick? This one. But this one come in the bubble,
Yeah.
the oil is ready.
Oh yeah. So we're starting to bubble.
Yes.
Oil's ready.
Yeah.
How long do we cook these for, Nana?
When it's coming golden. You need to turn around maybe three times. What's the start cooking your home?
I do the cooking at home.
Sure.
Sometimes.
Good.
Most of the time.
Well, what are you doing?
Pancakes.
Pancake. Nice pancake. I like pancake. A good man cook now. When I was young, church,
Yeah.
men can cook. No, it might run out enough for the panini.
No, we cook more.
You might.
Yeah.
No,
It's good, isn't it?
pick it up with the pan.
Yeah.
You need to put some melanzana in there.
Yeah.
Put a little bit sauce.
Yeah.
Now you can put in the bacon cheese.
Yeah. How long do these go for in the oven now, Nana?
For a few minutes, you turn the cheese melt.
What do you think, Nana?
Very nice. Nice and crunch.
You can't even tell this is vegan, Nana.
This is the trick. Okay, you cut the roll.
Yes.
Put in the bacon cheese. Okay, stop.
Close it up.
Yeah. A sauce and now can eat.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Very
Nice.
nice. Come on, Josh.
All right, I'm coming, I'm coming. Cheers.
See,
Beautiful, Nana.
this is your lunch for your work. Okay? You want I make you one for lunch tomorrow?
Yes, please.
Yeah, but you bring your container.
No,
Why now?
I forgot.
But
I'll bring it back.
I not give you mine, but you never bring them back.
I'll bring it back.
Sure?
This one will come back.
All right.
All right.